So in this video, I will show you how you can use Canva to create social media story highlight covers. So let's begin. On the Canva website, search for highlight covers and you will see Instagram story highlight cover. Select it. You will land on a page where you can find multiple pre-designed options for highlight covers which you can choose from. There are a lot of options. You can customize them according to your needs, but I'll show you how to create them from scratch. So let's select the blank template. This is your workspace, and let me quickly create a template to showcase all the covers we will be making. So I will give it a light background color, and because all the highlights are shown in a circle, so I'll select a circular frame, reposition it, duplicate it, then select both and duplicate both and do it once more. I'll add a title, change it font, move it on the top and add highlight cover as well. I'll change its font as well to something more fancier and position it. So obviously there are a lot of highlight covers present. You can choose from various options, but in this video I'll be showing you 3 kinds of highlight covers which are feminine, bohemian and abstract. So let's begin with our first highlight cover. I'll duplicate this page and delete all the elements. A quick tip, because all the highlight covers are seen in circles, so for reference I'll put a circle here and position it in the center. So move it till you see these cross lines, and I'll reduce the transparency. So this will be a reference line for me. All my main elements should be inside this circle, as only the portion inside this circle will be seen. So for my very first highlight cover, I'm designing it or giving it some abstract elements. So let's search for abstract and see what all graphics we have in it. Because we are designing a highlight cover, so I don't need any animations, so I'll set animation to static to filter out all the animated stickers. Now pick and drop all the things, all the elements and stickers you like. I guess I have enough of them. You just need to position them one by one. While positioning, just make sure you are keeping everything inside the circle. You can overlap the images, rotate them, make them look they belong to each other. Just make sure there is no single sticker which is covered by all other stickers, so there should be a mixture of overlap. So we'll move it a bit forward. Need to get them at the front. So to complete it, I'll put some face lines over it. I guess this seems perfect. I'll resize it according to the circle, making sure it's neither too big nor too small, and change its color to black. So now we'll just remove this circle. So the next highlight cover, I'll design it to be very feminine. So I'll take my star element to be flowers, and one by one keep selecting all the images I like. So I like this one, and I'll search for some watercolor graphics and select whatever I'm liking. Mix and match. There are no hard and fast rules where to place what, just keep playing and innovating with your ideas. I'll change its color to something light in shade. Yep, this seems fine. Now let's move on to our third highlight cover. I'm deleting all of this. And now let's try something bohemian. So let's search for the keyword Dreamcatcher. Drag and drop wherever you like. There is a similar process. Filter out animations. And once you are happy with the elements, you are satisfied with what will go, you just need to reposition them the way you want. Make it bigger and change its color. Darker shade of brown will work for this one, and I'll change the background color to a bit lighter shade. I'll add a pattern to the background. This seems good. Resize it, position it, and change its color if you want to. And this is also done. I'll duplicate this page and let's move on to our fourth highlight cover. Let's try to mix and match some patterns. So let's search for a mandala. Okay, like this one, I'll make it almost equivalent to the circle. I'll remove this circle for this one, as this mandala will give me an idea of the center already. Now let's search for a fashionista. I like this one, and I guess one is good to go with. I'll resize it and just give it a nice text. And there you go, the fourth highlight cover is also ready. Okay, now I'll download all these images. This will download a zip file. Extract all the images from the zip file and upload them to your media. And so I've uploaded all my 4 images that we have just made, and I'll place them one by one in this template. So I'll be placing the feminine one and then the bohemian. So for our last 2 highlight covers, there's a quick hack for beginners. Just search for the keyword abstract, set animation to static, and just search for some cool abstract images like this one, and just try placing them in these circles so you'll get an idea of how will they look on the highlight cover. There are a lot of options you can find from, like this one also. And similarly, you can see there are already a lot of predefined images and graphics and stickers that you can use for your highlights. If you are storing some mails and messages as your highlight, then you can put some already designed patterns. And so our highlight covers are ready. You see how easy it was. You can use them for your Instagram and other social media platforms. Do let me know how you like it, and